Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the last Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, July the 8th, 2020. And this Sudoku, let's get started with this one. Alright, first question. Can we see here the single box? Yes, we find here the single box. So this should be the one. Do we have also dual boxes? Here we have a dual box. There dual box. Here dual box. Here dual box. 4, 5. Wow. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2. This should be the 2 and this should be the 1. We have here we have a 2, so this cannot be a 2. This should be the 2 and this should be the 1. Here 1 and a 2. I need to mark them with another pencil. These two also. This cannot be a 2. We have a 2 here, so this should be the 1 and this should be the 2. That means these two boxes cannot be a 1. These two boxes cannot be a 1. One box left for the 1 should be here. We have a 1 here, so these two boxes cannot be a 1. These two boxes cannot be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 is a pair. The other two are the 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 here. So this cannot be a 2. This should be the 1 and this should be the 2. And these two should be the 1 and the 2. Let me mark them. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 should be here or there. That means this box cannot be a 5. If I place a 5 here, one of these two boxes cannot be a 5. So this should be the 4. And this should be the 5. We have a 4 now, so these two boxes cannot be a 4. One box left for the 4 should be there. The 5 and the 1 are left. 5 and the 1. Alright. These two boxes cannot be a 1. These two boxes cannot be a 1. Otherwise I cannot fill any one in one of those two boxes. So one box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 2 and this should be the 1. That means these two boxes cannot be a 2. Those two boxes cannot be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be here. Alright. These two boxes cannot be a 1. One box left for the 1 should be there. The other two boxes, 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So one box left for the 1 should be here. The other two boxes are the 5 and the 3. Then these two boxes, 1 and the 5. Let me mark them. These 3 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 4 and 5. Yes. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3. So 4 or 5. But if I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So it cannot be a 5. This should be the 4. So this box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be the 3, cannot be a 4, and cannot be a 5 because I need a 5 in one of those two boxes. So definitely it's a 3. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5. We have a 2 there, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 2 and the 4 as a pair goes here. The other 2 are the 3 and the 1. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 3, and this should be the 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. This should be the 4, and this should be the 3. We have a 4 now, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, the 3 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. We have a 2 here, so these 3 boxes cannot be a 2. 2 boxes left for the 2 should be here. Then we have a 5 here, that means these 2 boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. I think the lining should be more thicker. Okay. Yeah. The lining should be a little bit thicker. So publisher, if you see this, could you please make the lining more thicker? Alright. So this box cannot be a 1. 2 boxes left for the 1 should be here or there. Then let me think. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here or there. Yeah. Anyway, these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 1 could be here or could be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or could be there. Then this box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yeah, it should be the 3. Alright. This box should be also the 2 or the 4. Cannot be a 1, could be a 2, cannot be a 3, could be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yeah, 2, 4. Alright. This box cannot be a 2, cannot be a 4, cannot be 5, so it's 1 or 3. And this is the difficult part. Yeah, difficult part. 2, 4, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 4. 1, 4. Let me think. We have a 5 here. So this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 5. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 5, and this should be the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. Yeah, 4, 5. Yeah. Alright, I need to think. Suppose this is a 2, then this box should be a 2. Yes. This box can only be 1 or 2. Because if I place a 1 here, these 4 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 should be here. But I see here, one of these 2 boxes is a 1. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 2. And this should be also a 2. 2 here. 2 there. 1 box left. In the dual box should be the 1. We have a 2 here, so these 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. I have marked these 2 boxes with the 2. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2. This should be the 2. We have a 2 now, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 4, and this should be a 2. The 1 and the 4 are left. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. This should be the 4, and this should be the 1. This cannot be a 4 anymore, so the 4 goes together as a pair with the 1. 4 and the 1. 1 box left should be the 3. Then this box cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes here or there. The 1, 4, and the 5 are missing. 1, 4, and 5. We have a 1 here, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes could be the 1. Because we have a 1 here and 1 there. This box cannot be a 1, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. The 4 goes in those 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 5. So it's only 1 box, only 1 digit. Should be the 1. Cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be 5. Yes, this is it. So we have 5 could be everywhere here. So we have a 1 here. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1, only place for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5 are left. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. That means these two boxes, I have a 4. I cannot place a 4 there, otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So this should be the 5, and this should be the 4. We have a 5 now, so these two boxes cannot be a 5. One box left for the 5 should be there. The 3 and the 4 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And now this area. 1, 3, 1, 5. This box 1, 3. Yeah. This box is also 1 or 3. Cannot be a 2, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. 1, 3. So we have a pair. That means the 2, 4, 5 are left. The 4 cannot be here, so the 4 goes here. The 5 could be everywhere. The 5 could be everywhere. That means I cannot place a 5 in this box. If I place the 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 3 boxes. So this should be the 3. This should be the 5. We have a 3 now, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 1. This should be the 3. We have a 1 now, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 5, and this should be the 1. We have a 5 now, so these two boxes cannot be a 5. One box left for the 5 should be there. The 2 and the 4 are left. We have a 2 there, so this cannot be a 2. This should be the 2, and this should be the 4. Finish in 17 minutes. Alright, I'm pleased. I'm very, very pleased. So, a tectonic within 30 minutes. I'm happy. Yes. Alright, I like this. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Only if you want, only if you will, or can. And don't forget to hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You will be notified by YouTube. Yeah, thank you for watching this video again. I will see you the next time, probably tomorrow again. Take care, stay healthy, keep on puzzling, and see you then. Have a nice day. Bye bye.